Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am playing with the Colourpop and Twilight collection. I'm a little late to the game, but if you have followed it, you will know that when it was first released, it sold out in minutes. They had a restock, it sold out again, and now they are offering another opportunity to join the wait list and get in on another restock. I try not to talk about things on my channel that you can't get. That frustrates me personally as a YouTube watcher. If I'm liking something that you're putting on your face, I want to be able to get it. So I don't like to show things that aren't available. However, I do believe this is a different situation because they are going to be restocking it. So I thought I would put together a couple of looks with this palette. That sounds like fun. Just keep watching. I have most of my face on. I brought in liners and mascara and my little white inner corner product from Hard Candy. I will list everything in the description box below. Some may be affiliate links, so if you use them, I'll make a small commission, and I thank you for supporting me and my channel. I, of course, will have Colourpop's website listed down below as well, so that you can go there and sign up for the restock. Here is what it looks like. I'm so into the cool tones right now. This was very exciting. Not only do I love the movie, I've read the books multiple times, seen the movies multiple times, I also love these colors. So why don't we start with some swatches. Forever Young, Irrevocably, Irresistible, Bella, Impossibly Fast, Moonlit, 17, Lion and Lamb, The Cullens, Say It Out Loud, Ice Cold, Immortal, Prom Night, Unconditionally, and this last one is Edward. They look beautiful. Cannot wait. I only have 2 eyes. I'm gonna put 2 looks together. While editing, I will put another look or 2 together. I'm sure it'll take me a day or 2 to put this together. So let's see what the first look is gonna look like. I'm gonna go in with my MOTD eye-catching crease, and I'm gonna start with Say It Out Loud. It might be too light, but let's see. No, it's good. This would be a good transition shade if you have a skin tone close to mine. It's just a nice place to start. This is an AOA E130, and I'm going to go into Forever Young, which might be a mistake because it looks like it has sparkles, but I have tapped it off, and I'm going to take my time. Stamping and little circles. Light hand for blending. How'd we do? I think there's a little bit of fallout, but not too bad. Quality seems fabulous. I'm really drawn to this Immortal shade. I'm gonna go into this one next. Now it does feel quite chunky. I'm like the fallout queen these days. I've been very into the glitters. That is gorgeous. Wow. Yes, please. Oh, so pretty. Maybe I'll dip into the Cullens. Just seems a bit deeper, and I'll use that to merge these 2. Clean finger. Ooh, yes. Looks a little more blue than purple right now, and I'm okay with it. I'll take this little MOTD brush, the No Fudge Just Smudge, and I'm gonna go into Irrevocably. Put that on the bottom. And a little bit of that Forever Young, which was that black with the sparkles, to put just on that outside corner. I just wiped this brush off, and now I'm gonna go into Edward. Gonna spray it with a little Wet n Wild Fight Dirty. And see if I can go in that inner corner. Love it. Original crease brush. Nothing on it. Just blending. I'll add some liner and mascara, and I'll be right back with completed look number 1. I'm back, and here is completed look number 1. I think it looks fantastic. What did I add? I have my Sephora. This is the retractable waterproof liner. I have my Wet n Wild So Defined mascara on, the e.l.f. lash extender on the bottom lashes, and a little bit of my Hard Candy White Out for a matte white inner corner, which is what I prefer. Let's get into look number 2. This time I'll start with a Beauty For Real blender brush, and I'm gonna go into Bella. I'm gonna go into this outer corner and just sort of tap it on. Flipping it over just to blend. That looks good. For the center, I'm gonna put this Moonlit, which just looks like a really pretty taupe. Very nice. It's got a nice reflection to it. Next, I'll go into this Ice Cold, which seems to be similar to Edward, but maybe just a finer amount. It looks like Ice Cold is a little more champagne, where this is a little more blue-gray toned. So I like that. I'll go into Ice Cold right here. Soft and pretty. I love those 3 shades together. I'll go back in with Bella underneath, but only about 3/4 of the way. And then I'll go back into Moonlit, and I'll spray in that inner section. I'll add my liners and mascara, and I'll be right back with completed look number 2. I'm back with completed look number 2. I also forgot to tell you my liquid liner that I used. This is the Essence eyeliner pen, extra long lasting. I just did little baby wings on the sides. But again, I'll have everything listed. My thoughts, this is the date night, the bolder. This is the more work appropriate, safe every day. Do I love them both? Would I wear them both to the grocery store? Absolutely. It is traditional Colourpop quality. I was a little bit worried about this Immortal. This seems to be the chunkiest shimmer, and of course I'm crazy and I go right into that one. I want to see, because sometimes the chunkiest glitter is going to give you the biggest pop and payoff, so it's worth the risk to me. And I had minimal fallout. I also went into this dark shade, Forever Young. I would prefer it not have had glitter in it, but if you wanted to do a dark smoky eye with a shimmer, I get it. But these tend to give a little bit more fallout, but it was very minimal. Let me know what you thought about this collab. I think it's beautiful. It properly represents the movie. And now for a little surprise for you. When I was told that this had been restocked for the second time, I jumped online and I bought 2. So I have one for you. Having a little giveaway. This will hopefully make one of you Twilight lovers, or even just cool tone lovers, very happy. To get in the giveaway, make sure you are publicly subscribed to my channel. Comment below, are you Team Edward or are you Team Jacob? Also comment that you would like to be entered into the giveaway. Make sure you are following me on Instagram. It is JennDBeauty Official. And of course, give the video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Today is Monday, so next Monday, I will pull the winner. Do me a favor and share this video. That would really help me. I am inching closer and closer to 2,000 subscribers. That would be fantastic. Let me know if you shared the video on your socials. I just want to say thank you in advance if you do. Have a fabulous day. I'll see you in the next one.